I found this 1957 Jaguar XK150 sleeping here for decades, and today I'm bringing its original factory red sole back.
No drama, no shortcuts, just this 1957 Jaguar XK150 and the original factory red finish it deserves again.
Wow. 1957 XK150, buried treasure.
Yeah.
Looks rough, but it's got potential. Oh man, that chrome is shot. Oh yeah, this is it. Perfect.
All right, here we go. Oh. Looks like she's finally coming out. Okay, we're on the deck. Go ahead and winch it tight. Secure the front axle first, then the rear. Got it, hooking up now. Should be solid. All right, here she is. Gonna need some serious love. Looks like you've got your work cut out for you, Jake. That's why we're the best. All right, there it goes. The tension's broken. Good, let's get it up just enough to mark it. This assembly progresses smoothly. The hood is off, revealing the engine bay's history of dust and grease. A closer look at the hood's insulation shows the work ahead. All right, easy does it. Watch those foam blocks. Got it. Now look at that grime under here. All right, time to tackle the rear wheels. Loosened and off it comes. Looks like we found some brake dust in there, just as expected. Yep. One more down. SK Restoration, getting it done. All right, unbolting is done. Careful with the frame, don't want to scratch that chrome. Set it down on the rack.
All right, seats are out. Let's inspect the floor pan and the tunnel. Every part carefully removed. Next phase is restoration of each component. The disassembly phase continues. You can see the original linkages and dry grease exposed now that the door panels are removed. The plan is coming together. All right, time to tackle the trunk on this XK150. It's been untouched for years. Grease. You can see the original dust ring here, showing how long these have been in. The gaskets are brittle and the mounting hardware is heavy. The rear bumper is now off the 1957 Jaguar XK150. You can see the honest condition of the brackets beneath it.
All right, we've got the fuel cap and all the exterior trim sorted, cataloged, and safe. That's a good start. All right, here's the 57 Jag, and as you can see, the soft top hardware is out. We've got the mounting points empty, and everything is organized and ready to go. All right, let's take a closer look at these inner fenders. Definitely need some attention. All right. The grime trails are telling a story.
The Jaguar XK150 is ready for the next stage.
The doors are off, and we've stored them carefully.
Now we assess the frame. With the radiator, hoses, and cooling components removed, we're now exposing decades of trapped dirt in the original frame beneath.
All right, time to tackle the heart of the beast. Ancillaries out, wiring gone, just down to the bare bone now. Let's get these last brackets. Keep it steady. Slowly. Easy, easy, just a little more. Right there, lock it down. All right, let's see what we've got under here. Yeah. Slow and steady. It's oxidized, but it's red. All right, time for the deep wash. Let's cover this baby up. Getting into all the corners now. Look at that grime.
This is the deep clean, getting rid of all the years of dirt.
Exposing everything. This 57 XK150 block is ready for deep cleaning. That's a lot of decades of grime. The wheels are the final frontier in the pre-clean phase. They're holding a lot of history. Exactly. The deep clean has to be aggressive but careful. Time to strip away decades of grime on these Jaguar seat frames. We'll be using a mix of foam and high-pressure water.
The dashboard components take their turn in the cleaning bath, slowly removing decades of dust and grime.
Welcome to SK Restoration. This is the first step in bringing a classic back to life. Watch as we flush out decades of grime. All right, focusing on this inner fender. The factory red is coming through nicely now. Just got to get these last bits of grime. All right, into the seams now. This fine brush gets right where it needs to. Look at that. The factory red is fighting its way back, even through the oxidation and scratches. The rinsing reveals the honesty of the restoration. We're not fixing it yet, just seeing what we're up against. These are the suspension components. They tell a story. The deep cleaning phase on this 1957 Jaguar XK150 focuses on the wire wheels. We're using fine brushes to work.
The Jaguar's cabin is ready for drying. The filtered air will reveal the original red paint beneath.
Still some oxidation here. We'll need to bead blast that spot before coating it. The pieces needed a good cleaning just to show their character. See the pits, the age, they're all there and ready to bring back to original red. The shell is ready and the components are fully cleaned. Now we begin the restoration. All right, here it is.
The real truth. She's ready to go.
The engine block is ready. Need to address this corrosion here and document these paint traces. All right, pistons 1 and 4, minor pitting on the valve seats. Carbon traces look good, consistent. Need to check the guide wear here.
The engine block, critical to the restoration. Carefully prepping the cast edges to remove 40 years of oxidation without altering the original shape.
This is number 1 piston, fully cleaned and inspected, ready for installation.
Right.
And the main bearings have been matched.
All right, time for the crucial gearbox rebuild on the XK150. These gears and synchros are ready for their new life. It's all about precision here. All right, suspension arms. Lots of rust, but we'll get through it. Yeah. Cleaned up nicely, ready for the next stage. We're tackling the brakes on this 57 Jaguar XK150. Watch as we recondition these dirty backplates. All right, time to tackle the door skins. We need to get these perfect before they go to paint. Getting down to the bare metal here, it's important to feather it just right. Yeah, that looks clean. Good to go. The restoration of this 1957 Jaguar XK150 moves to the rear quarters, with the panels sanded smooth. The 1957 Jaguar XK150 is returning to original red. Here we see the honest, beautiful midpoint of the restoration. Welcome to the body restoration phase on the 1957 Jaguar XK150. We've stripped the shell to its original red primer. All right, we've got the XK150 body in the booth, hood and doors on stands. Today we're laying down the gray primer, ensuring complete the Jaguar XK150. Still in the blocking phase, getting those body lines perfect before we lay down the original factory red.
Perfect. She's ready for color.
The paint stage begins. A controlled coat of original factory red applied evenly across the firewall and inner wings.
The second wet pass, we're getting that perfect continuity and a deeper glow with the original factory red. The body restoration phase moves to the doors as they receive even coats in original factory at this stage. The fenders are perfectly matched, original factory red, just as it was in 1957. A true beauty.
The rear panels on this 1957 Jaguar XK150 are receiving their final passes of original factory red.
And here, the iconic 1957 Jaguar XK150 receives its first transparent clear coat. Oh. Look at that depth. This is the final stage of the paint process on the 57 XK. Just letting that clear coat settle, heat softened, perfect. All right, let's see how they turned out. Beautiful, perfect for the XK150.
Welcome to SK Restoration. We're continuing the XK150's journey, focusing on the details that matter most.
The heart of the restoration is getting the details right. And these new tires make all the difference. Just a bit more lube, and this one is ready to spin. All right, perfect. Ready to go. Just a little further.
The chassis is ready. Body and mechanical restoration complete. Now for assembly.
Gently, gently. Good. Now just line up the mounts. All right, locked into place. Let's start securing it.
With the rear suspension and brake assemblies now mounted, we focus on the fresh metal parts settling into place, highlighting the clean
Time for these beauties to go on. They'll balance her out perfectly. And there she is, back on her own feet.
All right, perfect fit. Just like it left the factory.
Looks incredible. Ready for the final touches. All right, front fenders are secure. Looking good.
Bring it forward a bit. Just a fraction.
Just a fraction.
Perfect. Now let's test the swing.
All right, fitment continues on the XK150 trunk lid and rear panel, where
It looks perfect. Great job, Character A. The dashboard is really coming together now. Everything's fitting just right. It's looking perfect. Excellent fit. Just need to tighten this last collar. Spin it. Beautiful. Solid as a rock. All right, perfect fit. Just got to secure it now. There. Looking good. All right, perfect alignment. Just need to seat these fasteners. Looking good. Line it up, slow and steady. Got it, looks perfect. Just the lamp now. The glass looks beautiful.
line it up with those holes. Gently, don't scratch the paint.
Got it.
Perfect, now the bumper. Okay, lift, mind the alignment, hold that steady, tighten these up.
The trim fits perfectly. Now for the badge. Looking good. After months and hard work, she's finally ready. Perfect.
The exquisite details of the XK150's cabin reflect the passion of a lifetime of restoration.
If this 1957 Jaguar XK150 in original factory red brought back that old dream feeling, stay with me for the next forgotten legend. There's another lost machine waiting somewhere, and when I find it, you'll see every step again.